Hello. Yesterday, my kid sister asked me, who put these pages in the internet? How do they even make it? Have you ever thought of making your own web pages or building your own website? Here is the time. I am Desmond with DesPP Tech, and today's class is Introduction to HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language that describes web documents. That's web pages. This HTML in full is hypertext markup language. And a markup language is made up of markup tags. Each HTML document are described by HTML tags. Then each HTML tag describes the document content. That's the HTML tag describes the content of the document. Here is an example of an HTML document. Here is a doc type tab. This is a doc type declaration, and you write a doc type declaration by using the exclamation mark and then doc type HTML. The doc type declaration here defines the document type to be HTML. Doc type HTML. Then the HTML tag here, anything in between this HTML tag, open tag and close tag here, anything in between these describes an HTML code. That's anything in between it is an HTML code. The head tag here provides information about the document, and the title tag equally provides information about the document. Anything between this title tag provides little information about the document. The body tag here is what is shown on the screen of your browser. Anything in between the body tag is what will be shown on the screen of your browser. The H1 here is the main heading. That's the first heading, the main heading of your web page. The paragraph here is, or the P here, P tag, anything in between this tag is a paragraph, and the browser automatically puts it in a new line. Here's the explanation of this code here. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are keywords surrounded by angle brackets, like this one here. And HTML tags are in pairs. Here's an example of an HTML tag. The tag name, then the content. That's what will be shown in the browser, and the closing tag. Actually, tags are made up of, or tags are always in pairs. HTML tags are in pairs. The opening tag, which is angle bracket, the tag name, then the closing tag with a forward slash in it. For example, you have the P tag here, the paragraph tag. This is the opening tag, and this is the closing tag with the forward slash. Web browsers. The purpose of web browsers is to read the HTML document and display it. Web browser uses HTML tags to display HTML documents correctly, and it doesn't display the HTML tag. HTML page structure. Let's see how the structure of an HTML page looks like. Here is the structure of an HTML page or HTML document. You start an HTML document with HTML tag here and ends with an HTML tag. As I said earlier, HTML tags are in pairs. You can see HTML open tag, here is a closing tag with a forward slash. Then the next thing after the HTML tag here is the head tag, and actually the head tag here contains information about your HTML document, and in the H or the head tag we have the title tag. which also contains little information about the HTML document, the title, open and close tag. Then after the head tag here, we have the body tag. The body tag here, this place you see in white, is what will be shown on the browser, on the screen of your browser. This body tag, and inside the body tag you can put down other tags like the H1, which is the main heading, the paragraph tag, and another paragraph tag here. Doc type declaration. The doc type declaration helps the browser to display the web page correctly. And there are different types of this doc type declaration which are not case sensitive. That is, you can use capital or small letters. You can use uppercase letters or lowercase letters. Here, this is the same as this, is the same as this, and the same as this. Then HTML common declarations. Here is the doc type declaration for HTML5, which is what we will be using here. We're doing HTML5, and here is how you can declare HTML 4.01. Then XHTML 1.0. This is how you declare it. This is how you declare it. What are editors? Editors are softwares or programs you use to write or to type your HTML code. Using a PC, that's Windows, Windows comes with a built-in text editor, which is Notepad, and if you are using Mac, you can use TextEdit, which also comes with the Mac operating system. HTML documents can be edited using professional HTML editors like Dreamweaver, Microsoft Expression Web, CafeCop HTML editor. But for a beginner, I would recommend you use like Notepad or TextEdit, because actually using this, you might reach a place where your code may not give as you or wanted. You have to enter the code itself and edit it. So I recommend you learn, for a beginner, you learn your HTML by using these text editors. To save your HTML code, you use an HTML extension, that is a .html. For example, index.html. Now let's take an example. You simply open a text editor, open here Notepad with Windows, and type the following code, then save it. Let's open our Notepad here. Okay, you type this in your Notepad and we'll save it. Let's save it. Come here, text save as. Then let's go. Actually, I will save mine HTML tutorials here. Then you save, as I said, you save your HTML code with an HTML extension .html. Let's save it. Then we'll go and open it in our web browser and see what we will have. Okay, this is what we will have. This is what we just type here. This doc type is a declaration, doc type declaration here. Then the HTML indicating what is inside. In between this is an HTML code. The title here is what will be shown up here on this tab where you open your tabs here. Then the body tag, as I said, is what will be shown in the screen of your browser in here. This is the body. This is H1. You can see how it is. It is written in bold, and actually the sizes are bigger. Then the paragraph, you can see it automatically put that in the next line. But For these tutorials, we will be using Notepad++, which I prefer using it because actually when you save your pages, it highlights all the tags and make your work easier. For example, let me just copy this code here, paste it in Notepad++, save it and see what we have got. File, save. Let's save this as index.html. You can see here, you can see how all your tags are highlighted, and when you click on one here, it shows you both the open and the closing tag. You can see your lines here are numbered. You can easily find your mistakes. And in writing our HTML code, it will be good that we indent so that we can easily read our code. This indentation, the browser doesn't consider these empty spaces, so you can just put them so that you can easily read your code. To download Notepad++, you simply go to this website here. Then you see this. You can download the latest version from here. Click on it and then take download, and you install. We'll be using Notepad++, so you can download it here and follow us with your Notepad++. As you know, I'm Desmond with DesPP Tech. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you in the next class or in the next lecture.